Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. Yes, my people. I'm going in the garden now, clean up the yard. So I'm going in the garden now. Peace and love to everyone.
Already.
Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Well, as you can see, I try to keep the stickers because sometimes I have so much variety I don't remember the name, and then this is the first time I'm planting these. I set the seed, then I bring them and I transplant them. So all these cost me was $2 and change. Now I wanna use, they're looking beautiful. These are so tasty and healthy, I'm telling you, very tasty. So I'm just gonna pick a few leaves. You can eat these just like this with salad. You don't even have to cook them. That's how tasty they are. You don't eat. I use them for salad. First time I planted them, but I used to buy them in the supermarket and I use them for salad. Guys, this is why I recommend everybody to plant their garden. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of work, but it all pays off. Nice little bongo, fresh, organic. Don't forget that part, fresh, organic. So I'm harvesting some Swiss chard. We call them Swiss chard. Look how beautiful. You see? Oh, and they smell fresh and nice. I have a few more over there. It's different kind, different colors. So I have a few more over there, but I don't want to pick them. So I'm just gonna pick these. Because honestly, I don't like to have them in the fridge. And, you know, I like them fresh from the garden. So thank you guys for watching.